All right, let's look at the odds for 4.4. And number 1, we have 4x plus 8x equals 12. Here we're supposed to combine the like terms on each side of the equation. And so we got 12x equals 12, or x equals 1. For number 3, 2 times 9x plus 3 minus 4x equals 34. And we do the distributive property. 2 times 9x, 18x, plus 6 minus 4x equals 34. 18x minus 4x is 14x. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides, and I'm going to get 28 on the right side. Divide both sides by 14, and x equals 2. Okay, number 5. X plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 5 equals 34. We need to drop the parentheses, so we're going to have x plus 3 plus 2x plus 10. Remember to distribute that all the way to everything inside the parentheses. X plus 2x is 3x plus 13. 3 plus 10 is 13 equals 34. Subtract 13 from both sides, and I get 3x equals 21, or x equals 7. Number 7, I have 3x minus 4 times x plus 5 equals negative 17. 3x minus 4x minus 20, negative 4 times a positive 5 is a negative 20, equals a negative 17. Negative x, add 20 to both sides. That's going to give me a positive 3 left over. I got to divide by a negative 1, so x equals a negative 3. Number 9, negative 8x minus 4x equals 24. Negative 8, negative 4 is a negative 12x equals 24. Divide both sides by a negative 12, and x equals a negative 2. Number 11, 2x minus 4 times x minus 3 equals 26. So I got 2x minus 4x plus 12. A negative 4 times a negative 3 is a positive 12. Okay, equals 26. So a negative 2x, subtract 12 from both sides, and divide by 2, and x equals a negative 7. Number 13, a negative 7 times x plus 3 equals 77. A negative 7x minus 21 equals 77. Add 21 to both sides. Negative 7x equals 56. And negative 7, divide both sides by negative 7, and x equals a negative 8. Notice how these are all coming out nice and even, and there has been a mistake. Okay, yep. If I would have checked my answer, I would know that I have made a mistake. So let me erase that and go back. I'm supposed to add 21 to both sides. That makes a big difference, and that gives me 98 over there, and I divide by 7, and x equals a negative 14. Negative 2, x minus 1, plus 3, that's a terrible 3, x plus 4 equals 8. Negative 2x plus 2, a negative 2 times a negative 1 is a positive 2, plus 3x plus 12 equals 8. Combine my like variables, and I get x, negative 2x plus 3x is x. I get plus 14 equals 8. Subtract 14 to both sides, and x equals a negative 6. And number 17, I get 4x plus 9x equals 26. And so that's 13x equals 26, x equals 2. That concludes the A exercises. And the B exercises, number 19, 8x plus b plus a times x plus b equals b. Okay, follow the same rules. It's just going to be a little messier with all variables. 8x plus b plus 8x plus ab equals b. Subtract b from both sides, and that's going to cancel that out. And I'm going to be left with 2ax. ax plus ax is 2ax. Okay, plus ab equals 0. Okay, because we subtracted the b from both sides. Okay, well, we want to isolate this, so we got 2ax equals a negative ab. Subtract it from both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by 2a. Okay, and that cancels out. I could change the color. It's getting a little messy. And I'm left with x. All right, and I have a negative ab over 2a. That means my a's can cancel out. And x equals a negative b over 2. All right, on the 3 word problems, I'm only going to give you the answer because you have to understand word problems. And if you didn't come up with these answers, you need to keep working until you do. 21 is 26 boys and 37 girls. Again, if you didn't come up with that, you're going to have to go back and look at the problem and come up with the proper equations. I'm not just looking for the answer, I'm looking for that you can come up with the equations. For 23, I have 4950 for the camera and 3750 for the calculator. And in 25, I have 6 foot wide, 11 foot long. 27, you're supposed to convert it to decimal, and you should have got 3.74, and that's repeating. And 29, convert to a fraction, which will be 907 over 10. All right.